Girl, finally, Drag Race Philippines Season 3, Episode 1 is finally out. So for today's video, we are going to react. But first, if you are new here, maybe you wanna like, subscribe for more videos like this. Girl, I'm a beginner here in YouTube, so please support me. I'm begging you. OA. Okay, so let's start. What's one? Who's the first queen? Okay. I'm very much excited about this. Bring back my girls. Who's the first queen? Wow, I love the introduction, mga ate. Yay! I'm so excited for this. Kakaloka. 1 million pesos. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, Julina Magdangal! Girl, I didn't expect this. Julina will be the first judge. Oh my god. Okay, now let's meet the queens. Who's this? Oh. Okay. It's Angel. Okay, Miss Angel. She's so pretty, by the way. But the intro look, not the best one. I'm expecting more kasi, you know, she's a trans. Yeah, she's a trans. First queen. That hair, ate, ha? That hair. But I kind of like the dress. Gusto ko yung gown. But she's pretty. Okay. I believe this is Versex. Ay, ang harsh naman. Yeah, it's Versex. Okay, it's Versex. Oh my god. The battle, it's a battle of straight hair today. Diba? They all have the straight hair. Kakaloka. Nagkakaloka. But I love the makeup. Super. Pero tong kanyang look sa kanyang, ang tawag dito? Confessional look pala ang tawag mo eh. Gusto ko naman. Pero I'm also expecting more sa kanyang welcome look. Okay, next. Oh, John Fideliaga, of course. Sa totoo lang, nakita ko na tong ibang snippets nito online. And tong look ni John, ang medyo inaano nila yung hairline. But it's her choice. Maganda naman. The Killer Bride ang The Killer Bride ang atake. Pero I'm also a follower of Jan since 2021. Oo, 2021 pinapanood ko na siya. Pero hindi naman ako biased, but I really like her. The personality, she's funny. And this look for me is yung hair lang. Yung hair lang talaga hindi ko bet. Yung sa front lang naman. Pero at the back, sino ba naman ang ayaw ng ganyang hair? Oh. So magkakakilala talaga sila dati pa. Ay. Medyo attitude talaga si Versex. Okay, next queen. Oh, anime to. Okay. Bekenemen. Gusto ko yung buong yung complete look niya. Big Chanel. Mas gusto ko tong outfit na niya na to kaysa dun sa kanyang promo look, sa totoo lang. Eh, ang ganda niya pag walang makeup, ha. Nagagandahan ako sa face niya. Pasabog. Agree. Agree ako doon. Diba?
Pasabog ka. So, laban yan.
Parang attitude talaga si Versex. Kinain ng airtime. Diyos ka, nakakaloka. Never heard about Bekenemen podcast. Okay. Ang haba ka ng airtime niya, sa totoo lang. Okay, next queen. Ayan si Tita Baby. Ay. Tita Baby. Okay. Yung look, yung entrance look niya parang yung mga sasayaw ng mga nanay pag may mga piyesta. Yung ganon. Pero I like it. Okay lang. Wala pang yung talagang nag-stand out para sa akin yung talagang pasabog. Let's wait. Mhm. So far, si Mix Chanel pa lang ang nabebetan ko yung outfit niya, mga ate. Oh, oh. Oh, she's 46. Pero mukha pa siyang bata sa totoo lang. But I think, yun ang isa sa mga advantage natin mga Asian na even if we are already in our 46. Ay! Mortal Kombat. Sino to? Ow! Keanu. Girl! Yung make-up. The look. I like this. Para siyang warrior, ninja, assassin, ganon. I like it. And the color blue, I think it's her color. And the hair, girl. Princess Jasmine who? Alam mo, she's giving me like a lip sync assassin. Ewan ko lang ha. Ewan ko lang kung may ganun, te. Pero feeling ko lang. Oh my God. Verse 6, ang dami mong eksena, te. She looks stunning. Ay, sino to? J Queen. Okay. Parang ka siyang Korean, sa totoo lang. Pero yung look na to, hindi siya yung pinaka-bet ko. So far si Kiana, tapos si Mix Chanel, sila yung top 2 ko pa lang when it comes to the entrance look. Ito kasi parang napaka-simple. Oy, iba kay shade. This is just my opinion, okay? As a viewer. Kasi gusto ko sana pasabog lahat. Ganon. Okay, Kiana. Gusto ko talaga yung hair ni Kiana, my God. Nakakaloka. Ang cute. Sino na naman tong next? Oh! I'm sure this is Yudi Puta. Yudi Puta. Ganun pala dapat. Oh, she's a trans as well. Girl, this look, grabe. I like it. Ang ganda ng structure ng kanyang outfit. Oh my God. Saka yung makeup, the mug. Hello. I wonder kung ilang oras silang ginagawa yung makeup ng ganito. Ay. Ay, may paihirap si mama. Ay, sino to? Okay. Zimbading for sure. Girl, ang dami nilang naka-straight hair. I wonder why. But girl, how many inches is that? Okay, Zimbading. Siyempre naman. Pero, and the makeup, para magkakapareho na lang yung makeup. Oh, sis. Si Verse Sexy Zimbading. Para magkapareho ng estilo ng pag-makeup. Ewan ko lang ha. Just my observation. Pero I'm still rooting for Kiana. I like Kiana and Yudi Puta. Parang sila yung para sa akin na nag-stand out pa lang sa ngayon. Yung parang sila yung giving energy na parang matatakot ako once they enter into the room. Okay, so okay. Let's see. Okay, who's this next? Pasabog. Lady Gaga. Popstar Bench. Naman. Also, Popstar Bench. I like her. Gusto ko siya. Gusto ko talaga siya, be. So true. Nung nakita ko siya dati sa YouTube, meron akong isang video niya nakita and then ni-stalk ko talaga siya. And ang galing niya, swear. Walang etos. I wonder kung paano siya magpe-perform sa lip sync. Lip sync battle. Gusto ko siya makita sa lip sync battle. Agad-agad, like right now. Wow! Hindi naman, okay naman sana. Diyos ko, gusto ko siya mag-stay sa competition. Okay, magkakakilala ngayong ilan sa kanila. Diyos ko. Okay. Oh, yun nga ang tanong. Hanggang Sarah Geronimo. Hanggang Sarah Geronimo lang ba siya? Okay. Last but not the least. Oh, syempre. Maxi. Okay, so it's Maxi Anderson. Oh my God. In fairness, siya yung pinaka-hot. In fairness, siya yung pinaka-gwapo sa kanila, Mare, out of drag. Pero expected na yun kasi nakita ko na si Maxi sa Queen of the Universe pa lang. Nakita ko na siya, pero disappointed lang ako kasi yun nga yung nangyari sa kanya. I'm hopeful pa naman ako na siya na yung winner. So, maybe it's about time kasi kung hindi niya na-achieve yun sa Queen of the Universe, then maybe ito talaga yung para sa kanya kasi she's really a good queen. Kakaloka. Pero I wonder kung first time ba talaga niya makita yung sister niya dito na parang bakit gano'n yung reaction nila. What do you think? Ganun ba yun, te? Sa mga nakakaalam, please comment down below. Kasi I'm not sure na hindi nila alam na kasama niya yung, makakasama niya or makakalaban niya yung kapatid niya. Alright. Okay. So that's it, I guess. Buo na naman yung queen.